When life throws you lemons, you grab dill pickle seasoning and tell life to just deal with it. Popcorn therapy starts now. Over medium-high heat, add your oil and 4 kernels to a pot. Once those kernels pop, your oil is hot and ready for the rest of your Dell Cove spices better off single popcorn kernels. Love to see them poppin' to the beat of their own drum. Next, drizzle some melted butter over your fresh popcorn. Give it a stir and sprinkle some of Dell Cove Spice's buttery garlic seasoning. Next, we're going in with a lot of Dell Cove dill pickle seasoning. The goal here? So much dill that the whole group questions your sanity. Stir to make sure that the popcorn gets evenly coated. Equal seasoning for everyone because your popcorn deserves as much love as the people you're sharing it with. And that's it. This snack is tangy, bold, and perfect for passing around the couch, swapping stories, and laughing about how you dodged a bullet and how you're done with dating. Dill lovers unite. For more recipes, gourmet popcorn kernels, seasonings, and more, check out DellCoveSpices.com. Because unlike your ex, we won't ghost you.